Hello and welcome to our channel. If you're interested in learning about managing your finances, you're in the right place. Today's topic is all about how to get financial aid for college. As you probably already know, college is expensive and financial aid is essential for many students. In this video, we'll be sharing tips and tricks to help you navigate the financial aid process. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video so that YouTube understands that this subject is relevant to you. By doing so, you'll be able to see more videos from us and other channels that talk about this topic. Tip 1. Start with a FAFSA. The first step in getting financial aid for college is filling out the free application for Federal Student Aid, or FAFSA. The FAFSA is a form that collects financial information from you and your parents. This information is used to determine your eligibility for federal and state financial aid programs. The FAFSA opens on October 1st every year, so make sure to submit your application as soon as possible. Tip 2. Research scholarships. Scholarships are another great way to get financial aid for college. There are thousands of scholarships available, and many of them are merit-based or need-based. Some scholarships are specific to certain fields of study or demographics, so it's important to do your research and apply for as many as you can. You can find scholarships through your school's financial aid office, online scholarship databases, or community organizations. Tip 3. Consider work-study programs. Work-study programs are a great way to earn money and gain work experience while in college. These programs are offered by many colleges and universities and provide part-time jobs to eligible students. Work-study jobs are often on campus, and the money you earn can be used to pay for tuition and other college expenses. Tip 4. Look into grants. Grants are a type of financial aid that doesn't have to be repaid. Federal and state governments, as well as private organizations, offer grants to students based on financial need, merit, or other criteria. The Pell Grant is the most well-known federal grant program, but there are many others available. Check with your school's financial aid office to see what grants you may be eligible for. Tip 5. Don't forget about loans. While loans should be a last resort, they can be a helpful way to pay for college if you've exhausted all other options. Federal student loans typically have lower interest rates and better repayment terms than private loans. Make sure to fill out the FAFSA to see what federal loans you're eligible for. Getting financial aid for college can be a complex process, but it's important to explore all of your options. Remember to start with a FAFSA, research scholarships, consider work-study programs, look into grants, and don't forget about loans. By following these tips and tricks, you'll be on your way to financing your college education. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tips on managing your finances.